Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about buying or selling a home this spring, you'll want to stick around. We've got some surprising and exciting news about mortgage rates, inventory, and why buyers are jumping back into the market. Let's break it all down. Mortgage applications are up a whopping 51% from this time last year. Yep, you heard that right, 51%. Realtor.com's senior economic analyst Hannah Jones called the jump somewhat surprising, but altogether positive. So what's behind the surge? I think it's a combination of pent-up demand, falling interest rates, and more inventory in the market. So in fact, there's actually 27% more homes on the market right now compared to last year. Buyers who've been sitting on the sidelines due to limited options and high rates are finally making their move, and we're seeing it firsthand. Our team saw a 54% increase in contracts and a 64% jump in signed listings in April alone. Over the last few weeks, mortgage rates have dipped. As of May 1st, the average 30-year fixed rate is 6.76%, down from 6.81% the week before, and nearly half a percentage point lower than this time last year. Even a small rate drop can make a big difference. On a $400,000 loan, that half point could save you around $1,500 per year. Buyers are definitely paying attention and they're moving fast. Combine low rates with more affordable homes hitting the market, and you've got a strong spring buying season. We're seeing smart sellers list now to take advantage of rising demand and low competition. So if you're curious about what your home is worth, check out your free home valuation link in the comments. It only takes a minute. Now let's talk about the Federal Reserve, because while they don't directly set mortgage rates, their decisions do have a big influence. At their May meeting, the Fed held rates steady in that 4.25% to 4.5% range. But here's the kicker, they're not planning any preemptive cuts just yet. Inflation is still running above that 2% target, but not by much, and it's at a 4-year low. Fed Chair Jerome Powell said, it's not a situation where we can be preemptive. My take, the Fed is often 2 steps behind, whether it's raising or lowering rates, and I really don't think it's any different this time. They're also juggling a lot of uncertainty in the market right now, from a strong job market to slower GDP growth, and now tariffs. Negotiations with these trade partners on tariffs could make a big impact on where we go from here. So what does this all mean for you? Well, if you're a buyer, now might be the time to get pre-approved and lock in a lower rate before they bounce back. And if you're a seller, more buyer activity means more showings and potentially more offers. Whether you're buying, selling, or just staying informed, hit that subscribe button to keep up with all things Huntsville real estate. And remember, who you hire matters.